It's just a con. You didn't give any information, did you? Well, wait, if that happens again, just hang up on them. Tell them nothing.
Punta muna kami sa mama niya, mga palangga. We're going to my mother-in-law just to see what's what. I will explain you later what's happening, okay? We are home. We're home from my biyenan's house. Mga palangga, dapat talaga tayo mag-ingat kasi yung mga scammers, dumadami na talaga and they are not interested where the money came from. They are only interested to get your money. So, they are trying to take advantage to those people who is naive and vulnerable. So, what happened earlier, si Biyenan, she received a phone call to a guy claiming that the guy is from council and they are updating their system. And so, he need to ask a personal questions and everything. And so, si Biyenan naman, she's being polite. And yeah, she's answering questions and everything. And umabot sa punto na yung guy nag-ask ng last 3 digit ng bank account niya. Patuloy pa din siyang sumasagot. And then, yung last question daw ng guy na which bank were you in? And doon alarma si Biyenan na ay parang scam to, scam ata to. So sabi ni Biyenan na I forgot the bank name, can I call you back later and everything. So after she hung up the phone, she called us immediately and tell us what's happening. And so si Jan naman, Diyos ko, si Jan, hindi naman niya pinagalitan yung mama niya, pero sinabi niya na you have to be careful, they are just scammers, and if someone call you asking for your bank account and everything, you don't give any information. So, ang ginawa namin, we went to her house, called the bank, kasi hindi kasi pwede na kami-kami lang. We need to ask her permission na we are doing this in her behalf. And so, the bank says that we will hold your account for 24 hours. We will make a new account. We'll transfer everything. And the old account will be closed just to make sure everything will be in safety. So, wala namang nakuha. Wala namang nakuhang pera. Pero, just to think about it, ha? To think the worst scenario. What if nakuha yung money ni Biyenan? Retire siya. Kawawa, diba? So, sanabihan talaga namin si Biyenan na, please, when people calling you in that way na asking your bank account, don't give anything. And sinabihan siya ni Jan, inadvisean siya ni Jan na kung yung counsel, dapat siya na, like, she has like a secret word just to make sure that they are genuine. So, yun yung advice ni Jan. So, anyway, mga palangga, we're all good na. A friend of ours, mga palangga, sent us a picture. They are getting a new puppy. They got the puppy, sorry. And it's like PB. It's a BB Phoebe. Look at that. You see? Oh, that's so cute. I know we said that we're not getting a puppy, but I feel like because our babies are 10 and 8, so but we said no, but I don't know. It's so cute. Those little eyes. Look at that. Look at his eyes. It is he. Look at that. Ah.
I got an itchy eye.
Why?
Honey. You tired me out today.
Honey.
Yes, darling?
I know we said no, but...
No, what?
Do you think we will get another puppy?
Puppy?
Yeah.
No.
Why not?
I don't want to buy a puppy, I want to buy one trained. Then I don't have to have all the hassle and mess and...
So we will get another dog.
At some point.
At some point, but no, not a puppy.
Well, could be 18 months old.
Yeah, well, it's not a puppy, you know.
No, it's not a little thing.
Like, you know, that Julie, our friend, how old is that?
6 weeks.
6 weeks, so
This
it's
one?
really baby.
This one?
Yeah, it's so cute. Look at
this
the
one.
eyes. Yeah, it's so cute, honey.
Oh, I told you to take you to see it.
That's why it's like, ah.
Look at
She
it.
probably take it in the home.
Look at it.
Look at that. I just cannot get over his eyes. It's so cute. Look at that one.
Yeah, that is a face of trouble. Seriously.
Really?
I can assure
no.
you, that'll be tiddling all over the house. It'll be chewing everything. Oh, the trouble, I can assure you.
But when you get Phoebe,
People like that.
when she's like baby, like puppy.
Hmm.
Right. I see.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're not getting a puppy, but at some point we'll probably get a dog.
Well, the thing is, right, if you buy a puppy,
Mm.
you've got all the training to do with them, you know, and it's not just 5 minutes, it's hours and hours and hours and hours, and you can't not do it if you know, but the thing is, when you're used to training dogs,
Have the patience.
it becomes quite easy.
Yeah, but
you
it
see.
is important to train your dog effectively. Short and effective,
Oh,
as
yeah,
what they
yeah.
said.
Yeah.
Not long train because they lose interest.
Well,
You need to train them
it's
in
10
a
minutes
short,
a day.
yeah.
It's 10 minutes a day.
Short
So,
period of time, and then
Yeah,
but you have the patience
yeah.
and train them effectively. That's
Mhm.
what they said.
How do you know that?
It's in VQ.
Is it?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's just like a study situation.
Hmm.
What
Oh,
is the
see.
purpose of the context? Blah blah blah.
Okay,
So
okay,
yeah.
Well, you know, there's lots of puppies for sale.
This is the dog what I really want to get in my personal choices is the dog I
Oh.
wanted to get. I'm in love with this dog. The first time I saw this dog
Old
with his
English
friend.
sheepdog, they're called, darling.
OMG, the dog is so lovely. Can I have
Which one would you like to look at? There's a puppy with
that
Daddy.
one then? This one, oh, this dog. This is.
That's,
I'm so in love with this dog. This
a
one. They're so cute. It happened kasi that our friend, they have three, isn't it?
no, two now. One.
Two. Yeah,
one
they used to
died.
have three, and now they got two because the other one died. It's sad, really. But they got two dogs, and oh, they're
Here's a
absolutely
naughty
gorgeous.
one, look.
Oh, look at the puppy. Oh, look at that.
What about this one?
Ah, that's so cute. Look at the eyes.
Yeah, but no good for me.
I know. So yun, that's kind of dog I really want. Good morning, Pipa. Good morning. Good morning, Phoebe. Come on, let's go to the workshop. Where are you going now?
To the greenhouse to clean all the broken glass up. I could do with assistance. Is that possible?
Yeah, of course.
Right, come on then, pop your cup away then. No.
Hang on. Oh, I need the gloves. I'm ready to rumble. Pipa, Pipi, just stay outside, please. Oh, no, Pipi. Pipa, no.
Any metal wires we need to save.
Look at that, how dangerous it is. We are done picking all the glasses. The glasses are all here. And look. Did you see that? That one right there. That one. That glass is from here. Wala na rin yung glass dito, oh. So, that glass need replacement. And dito sa front. So, yun. But I still need to be careful because we might pick the visible glass, but might be there's still like cheap that we did not see, that you know, the hardly visible glasses, because the gardening time is almost here as well. Thank you.
Do you want to take that to tip on there?
Yeah, we can do that. Take that to the tip. Yeah.
And take a plastic bag as well. With some rubbish in.
Right. So mga palangga, that's it for me today. I will bless you.
Can't stop eating.
So that's it for me today. I will see you in my next video, and bye. Mwah, mwah.